All right, I've been using these landscape fabrics, the fence blockers. I have a small one behind this reed fence, so you can hide them and make them look even prettier. But the main one I got, and this black one is going to be replacing, is this green one back here. I'm pretty lucky that the plants naturally make a barrier, so I could go in the neighbor's yard and cut that back, but I like nature better. But here's what I'm going to do with the black one. I'm going to replace this one, and even though it still offers a lot of privacy behind these gold dust plants, I think they're gold dust, and yeah, it's not on there the best anymore. I had a roommate that was shooting arrows through it and all kinds of dumb stuff, so I'm surprised. It's been there like 10 years, and it's the same brand as the one I'm putting up, which is black, while this is green. But anyways, first, I need to dig this out. I'm gonna put a shed back here, a little small shed, and hide it with the landscape fabric. So, very cool stuff.